Good morning students. A very warm welcome to everyone in the third session of history lesson number 1. In the last session we have studied written sources, particularly newspapers and periodicals, maps and drawings in detail. Let us begin today's session with oral sources. Oral histories are accounts given by a person of events earlier in their life. Often, they are taken by family members, historians, archivists, or others who interview older people in an attempt to document events and lives. Let us study oral sources. Oral sources are folk songs, povadas, folk tales, narrations, interviews, fairs, jalsa, art groups, rhythmic prose, and inspirational songs. Let us study these oral sources one by one. Folk songs. Folk song is a song that originates in traditional popular culture or that is written in such a style. Since folk music lives in oral tradition, its history can best be understood through a study of its relationship to other musics. These songs demonstrate or show the tradition and customs of a society. Povadas. The povadas are a kind of ballad written in an exciting style and narrate historical events in an inspiring way. The composer cum singers of the povadas are known as shahids. It is a genre of Marathi poetry that emerged during the late 17th century in India. Now, let us see meanings of difficult words which we have come across. Ballad means a long song or poem that tells a story. Narrate means to tell. Genre means a particular type of music that we can recognize because of its special characteristics. Folk tales. Folk tale is an old story that has been told again and again, often for generations. Narrations. Narration is the act of telling a story, usually in some kind of chronological order. Interviews. A meeting at which somebody is asked questions to find out his or her opinion. As interviews are related to a particular time and participation of the people at that time, it acts as a primary source to understand contemporary history. Fairs. Fair is a large event where people, businesses, etc. show and sell their goods. Jalsa. Jalsa is an assemblage or gathering of people in one place for a particular purpose. Art groups. Art group is an assemblage of artists. Their artistic expressions reveal to us past cultures, how people thought, what they believed, and what was important for them. Rhythmic prose or OV. It is a poetic meter used in Marathi poems for rhythmic prose, generally used in narrative poems. Inspirational songs. Inspirational songs are the songs that motivate us in our life. Now, let us study some oral sources in detail. Inspirational songs. Various inspirational songs were composed during the period of freedom movement of India. Nowadays, some of these songs are available, in the written form, but many other inspirational songs memorized by freedom fighters are not published. These inspirational songs give information about the conditions during pre-independence period, and also the spirit behind the freedom struggle can be understood. Let us study about povadas in detail. We get information about a historical event or the work of a person through povadas. There are different types of povadas composed on freedom struggle of 1857, valor of revolutionaries during British rule, etc. Now, let us study meanings of difficult words which we have come across. Valor means great courage. Revolutionary means a person who starts or supports action to try to change the government of a country, especially by using violent actions. These povadas were used to create motivation and spirit among the people. Apart from povadas composed on freedom movement, there are povadas composed on different events too, such as povadas composed on the work of Satyashodhak Samaj for awakening among the oppressed classes. Let us study meanings of difficult words which we have come across. Awakening means making aware about something. Oppressed class means the class subjected to cruel or unjust impositions. And the povadas composed on the Sanyukta Maharashtra movement. In this session, we have studied about the oral sources. In the next session, we will be studying about video, audio and audio-visual sources of history. Thank you.